Welcome back students. So here we are going to understand about flash fill. Now before 2013 flash fill was not available. 2013 it was introduced, and later on 2016-19 and gradually in Office 365 it has been more improved. Now flash fill, this particular version is 2019. So how this thing works, it's going to make your life very easy. Let's say I want to pick the name from the left hand side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type Ram, enter. Now the moment I will start typing, let's say Shyam, you will get to see these suggestions. So that is what flash fill is. Let me click enter, and you will see we have got the result. Now here if I will set my cursor, you will get to see this flash fill option. Now one option is undo flash fill, or another option is accept suggestion, or you want to select all changed cell. Okay, so I have accepted the changes. Now let me do something complicated. Let's say I want to pick the phone number which is in the center. So what I'm going to do, here I'm typing the phone number, that is, let's say 9925923457. It need to be correct. Now over here, one of the way is I can start typing the phone number. So here you will get to see the suggestions, and I can simply press enter. Another way of doing is to press Ctrl E, and if you will do that, then also you will get to see this option of flash fill, as you can see. So that's an amazing feature. Apart from this, let me take this particular text over here. It's going to pick on the basis of number of characters as well. Let's say I have typed the initial, that is, let's say R. Let me enter over here, and I'm pressing Ctrl E, and you will see here I've got the initial, that is for Shyam, S for Vikas, V, and so on. Now let me do something more. So here let's say I want for some reason, let's say I want R, and then I want the complete name to come like this. So it's kind of concatenate that I am doing. Again, I can simply press Ctrl E, and it's going to follow the sequence, and here you can see it's giving me the result accordingly. So that's amazing how flash fills works. It's going to make things very easy for you. If you need to get all these results, you will have to apply complicated formulas like concatenate. You will have to go through text functions like left, mid. You will have to nest many of the things. But here you can do it in a very simple manner with the help of flash fill. So this is all about flash fill. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.